Hi, I'm Steve Richardson. You may have read in the news where David Cassidy filed bankruptcy. Now, this isn't that unusual a news item. A lot of celebrities over the past years have filed bankruptcy, and it certainly shows that no matter how famous you are, no matter how rich you become, people have to file bankruptcy, just like everyone else. But David Cassidy's bankruptcy is a little different because he filed a Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Now, a lot of celebrities in the news you might see file Chapter 7. You might wonder, well, why didn't David Cassidy file a Chapter 7? Or if he wanted to pay his creditors back, a Chapter 13. Well, the reason is the amount of debt that he has. Now, Mr. Cassidy has indicated in the news items that he's trying to pay his creditors, but he has a lot of debt. It's been reported to be upwards of $10 million. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that there are certain debt caps for Chapter 13 bankruptcy. If you have too much debt, you can't file a Chapter 13. If you have more than $383,000 in unsecured debt, credit card bills, medical bills, that sort of thing, you have too much debt for Chapter 13. If you have more than $1.15 million in secured debt, you also can't file a Chapter 13. Now, Mr. Cassidy has two homes, one in Florida, one in New York. May well be some mortgages of large amounts, things like that. It all adds up. Now, sometimes you might be on the borderline and there might be some disputed debts, and if you can convince the bankruptcy judge that you really don't owe some of the debts that are being claimed against you, that might drop you down below the caps. But for the most part, you have to look at those debt caps to see whether you can file a Chapter 13 or whether you have to file a Chapter 11, which unfortunately is a lot more expensive, although it can help you restructure your debt. So that's the important thing to bear in mind with David Cassidy's bankruptcy. So, if you live here in southern New Jersey and you're thinking about filing bankruptcy, please feel free to give my office a call. I'll be happy to sit down with you in my Woodbury office, look at your situation, and see whether bankruptcy is right for you.